Hello viewers, in this video we're going to look at atomic theory, but we have treated in the lesson 1. We explained the atomic theory, where it began, how it began by the great philosopher, where he discovered the atom, but due to the lack of scientific evidence he cannot explain how atom look like. But it continued by the John Dalton, which is the father of atomic theory, and continue by the J.J. Thomson. After the J.J. Thomson discovered an atom that containing positive and negatively charged, continue by the Rutherford, that is N.S. Rutherford. N.S. Rutherford carry out where he explained the electron, the atom carry positively charged, heavy positively charged at the middle, and we look at different model of atom in our previous class. Therefore, you go and check then our previous lesson where we discuss some of the atomic theory. Okay, then in this lesson we're going to look at Bohr's models atomic theory, that is Niels Bohr. Niels Bohr is almost the fourth person to talk about, to carry out research on the atomic theory, and these scientists carry out different research. But before he started carry out the research, which called Niels Bohr, he entered the laboratory of Rutherford. He carried out some research. After carrying out some research and discovered that he carried out the research and discovered the electron in the hydrogen, that is the atom of hydrogen, in the laboratory of Rutherford. This is where Niels Bohr carried out his research and discovered the atomic theory. He discovered the atom of hydrogen, that is the atom of hydrogen. If you can remember, it has only one shell, because the hydrogen is the number 1 electron in the periodic table. That is the hydrogen. Hydrogen has only one electron. It has only one electron in the shell. This is where Niels Bohr started, and after all, he continue with this by saying electrons orbit the nucleus in the fixed energy level or shell. They find out that the electrons has fixed energy in the levels or shells. He discovered that the electron has fixed energy in the electrons in the shells. Okay, then also the electrons can jump between the levels by absorbing or emitting energy, that is quantized energy. He learned that the electrons can jump between levels by absorbing or emit energy. Okay, that is, they will just continue their movements until they reach certain level without going outside the shell, isn't it? Then that is the Bohr's model of hydrogen. We discovered that this is the electron which is the negatively charged, and the nucleus which is the positively charged, and the shell or orbit where it contains. Then in life, anything in life has its own limitation. Then the Niels Bohr also has his own limitation. Anything in life has limitation. Everyone has his own limit, because once you carry out some research, you must have your limitation, so that somebody will carry out from where we stop. Okay, the last thing, the limitation of the Niels Bohr only works for the hydrogen. That is, the limitation of Niels Bohr is only works for hydrogen only. That is his research. It cannot go with other elements. Okay, it can only work in hydrogen. Then the next limitation does not explain electron behavior in atom. That is, the model treated electrons as small particles orbiting the nucleus, but quantum mechanics show their behavior as well. Then if you check the quantum mechanics, you will see all this as how the behavior of electron. And if you look at the Bohr, he didn't explain the electron behavior in atom. Okay, that is his own limitation. Okay, he violated the uncertainty principle. That is the uncertainty principle. The Bohr's model assumes electrons follow well-defined paths that contradict the principle. If you look at the research carried out by the Bohr can only work in only hydrogen. That's why upon all this, he carried out the research in the laboratory of the Rutherford. That's why he only assumed the electron follow well-defined path, contradicting the principle of uncertainty. That he violated the uncertainty principle. Okay, then in conclusion, we just look at the conclusion of the Bohr. Well, Bohr models was crucial step in atomic theory. It was eventually replaced by the quantum mechanics model, which provide a more accurate and complete description of atom. We meet in the quantum mechanics in our next lesson. Don't forget to subscribe our channel for more videos. We meet in the lesson 3. Okay, don't forget this is the lesson 1. You can go and check for the first lesson. The first lesson we started under atomic theory. Thanks for watching. Bye.